Welcome back to Chang Fun Learning. I'm Chang. In the previous videos, we already finished learning all the simple vowels, Pinyin initials, and Pinyin compound finals. You are doing a great job. So today, I'm going to introduce you the tones for Pinyin in Chinese. Some people think it's 4 main tones in Chinese, but there's also another tone. It's soft, it's short and gentle. So I just include that one into all the major tones. So I say it's 5 tones in Chinese. I'm going to introduce you all the tones through a story so you can have a better understanding. And then when you think about tones, you will think about this story to help you say the right tones. Ready? A guy and his girlfriend are on a date, chatting on a bench in the park. As the romantic conversation moves along, the guy suddenly jumps up and says, "Oh man!" That's first tone. "Oh man, I almost forgot the most important thing in my life." The girl said, "What?" "What?" Second tone. What? Go up. And the guy said, "Will you marry me?" And the girl was shocked, didn't say anything. And the guy said, well, third tone, go down and then go up. And the girl said, no, fourth tone, go down, very strong tone, no. And the guy asked, may I know why? The girl said, this is only our second date. The guy said, oh, fifth tone, very gentle and short, oh. Okay, so first tone we said it's like, oh man, it's just flat, doesn't change anything. Good example is 1 in Chinese is E, and then you can see the tonal mark is flat. And then the second tone, you can think it's up tone. It's like saying what in English is what, go up. It's like someone calling your name and then you're like, So in Chinese, what is 什么? So the 神, it's second tone, 神. Can you feel the tone goes up? 神. And then the third tone goes down and then go up. So it's like saying English is while. Third tone, you need to make it a little bit dramatic because some people just don't know how low you need to go. So it's while, really go down. If you already know how to say hello in Chinese, it's 你好, and then 好 means okay, good, well. So 好, just feel it. Go really down and then up, 好. And then fourth tone is down tone. It's like saying no in English. And then you say 不, 不 in Chinese, that's no. 不, down tone. That one is easy. And then the last one, soft tone, is the no tone, very gentle, short tone. It's like when in English you say how are you, and then in Chinese it's 你好吗? The ma, the ma here is the question indicator. When you add a ma in a do, does, is, are sentences, use this ma at the end of the sentence. So it's ma, very short and gentle tone. So these are the 5 tones through a story. Let's practice. Now we put all the pinyin, initial, and finals together and also add the tones. So let's see if you are able to pronounce them right. Take your time, think about, just quickly in your mind, just review what we've learned about pronouncing the simple vowels, initial, and then finals, compound finals, and then add a tone in there, okay? Go ahead and pause the video. After you practice by yourself, we will pronounce them together. Okay, how did it go? Let's pronounce them together. The first one is the city, Shanghai, Shanghai. So when you see this hai, third tone is hai, go down and then go up. And then 汉字, like saying no, 汉字. Then same thing, 绿色 is green color, 绿色. Then 14, 14, 14. And then 叶子, 叶子. Then 而且, 而且. Then these two, second tone, 原来, 原来. And then the next one, 根据, 根据. then 注册努力 next 孩子 the z is soft tone gentle 孩子 then 桌子 the next one 据说 and then next one third tone second tone 女儿 then 好处 then 中国 China. Practice one more time by yourself. In the next video, it's a bonus video. We're going to use some tongue twisters, Chinese tongue twisters to practice. I will see you in the next video. Bye.